Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to apply freehand winged eyeliner. So if you are ready, then let's get started. For today's tutorial I am using Swiss Beauty Bold Felt Tip Eyeliner. It has a pointed felt tip which makes it easy to apply the eyeliner, and it is also nicely pigmented. First I'm going to do is line my lash line, and for this I'm going to hold my brush or the felt tip horizontally parallel to my lash line and move the felt tip or the brush along my lash line, as you can see in this video. Once the lash line is done, let's do the wing. To do this, I am going to extend my lower lash line towards the end of my eyebrows. So I'm going to make 2 dots near my lash line and where I want my wing to end. And then I'm going to join these 2 dots. Next I'm going to draw a line joining the end of the wing to my lash line and fill in the gap. If you like, you can extend the wing more like I am doing here. To have the sharp look, I will be cleaning underneath my wing with a concealer, and I'm going to immediately set it with a loose powder or any compact powder you have. Then to finish the look, I'm going to apply a mascara from Essence, and I'm going to coat my upper as well as lower lashes. And that is it, you guys. I hope you like this video and found this video helpful. If you like, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.